kind of day 3 actually. Look at that. Sky, so pretty.
Going unwind on Myrtle Beach time.
Here's our shark's teeth from yesterday. Jeremy found most of them. But yeah, it was cold. It was hard to focus. And this candle right here smells really good too. If y'all are looking for some candles. But yep, those are our shark's teeth from yesterday.
Man, it is way up here. Ain't no shark's teeth found in the day, I doubt it. Ooh, you're in the foam. Woo! I got that too. You were all in that foam. Was it cold?
No, it's really not.
No, that's crazy.
Not like you think it was.
Really? Oh, here comes one. This nasty stuff. I said, here comes one.
Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dan, 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 smoke, 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 fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red, paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our days in the
Grill, sushi and bar. We're not gonna go there. We're just, Jeremy's gonna go fly his drone.
A little windy, but it says it's
yeah.
in acceptable range. We'll find out.
Yeah. Pie-eyed parrot. I wonder what that is. Cruises and events. I bet that's pretty fun. Dead Dog Saloon.
Since everything flies away, it's gonna go right in the water.
Yeah. Jeremy didn't get to fly his drone because the wind gusts were just too strong. But we did get to enjoy the beautiful scenery at Murrells Inlet. Highly recommend. Broadway at the beach. Ferris wheel. Been trying to fly the drone and it's too half gust. Here's Wonderworks. Never been in this one, but we've been in the one in Tennessee.
Tennessee.
Yeah. It's fun, but it's, I don't know.
Once you go once, it's. I don't think it really add too much stuff that I don't know.
From what a video, yeah.
Stone jumping up and down, earthquake, stone gone, tornado. That's funny.
That is funny. It is windy.
It's moving.
Yep.
It's dry.
Yep.
There's no shadow.
It is pretty.
Here goes Allie dropping the goodies. There's a dolphin here too. Did your good deed for the day?
Oh, Dave and Buster's in there. Yeah. It's been over a year now since we've been there. Paladines.
I would like to go back there again. I've only been that one time.
Like that sweet tea, y'all. I like that. we went to Margaritaville and decided to get lunch. So here's our drink. I got the margarita, strawberry. And what's yours?
Uptown Top Shelf Margarita. Yeah.
Well, taste it. I bet you it's good.
Oh, I know it's gonna be good. I'm ready.
Jeremy's fish tacos. What is that black stuff?
Black beans and rice, yeah.
Beans and rice. And I got grilled cheese and fish.
Unusual weather phenomenon that is formed offshore in the Atlantic near Myrtle Beach. This is one of the most incredible, but it is not your typical hurricane. We've been receiving reports up and down the Grand Strand of an increased level of relaxation as gathering storm clouds begin to come ashore raining tequila. That's right, I said tequila. People are being encouraged to take the rest of the day off.
Awesome time. Awesome
We weren't going to
time.
go, but then we were like, we have to eat lunch somewhere, and they all had their mask on, really clean, so we went. Great time, great food, great drinks, great hospitality.
Oh, yeah,
She's very
absolutely.
nice, yeah. Very nice lady. That must be what they're making over there, probably. The hangout. Meet me at the hangout.
Gnarly, dude.
That'd be probably fun.
It does look like they got like slides.
Yeah, it does. That'd be fun for kids. I mean, we could probably hang out there
The
too.
Key West Village also.
Oh yeah, that's neat. There's the Simpsons area. Joe's Crab Shack, which I didn't like Joe's Crab Shack.
Yeah,
That's even when I ate chicken. I just need to have gloves for you to wear to pick out your candy.
Yeah.
Other side to go swimming. It doesn't feel real bad out here tonight. This evening has probably been the warmest evening we've had, but it's starting to rain. I can feel sprinkling. But there's people in the hot tub over at the condo side, so we're gonna come over here and see.
I think I got two.
I think it feels good.
I got two in the bag.
That's not. I think it feels good.
Oh yeah. It does actually. It's really good. Better than yesterday.
Yeah. Jeremy's gonna dip in the outdoor pool.
Good.
Yep.
Feels good.
Does it?
Oh yeah.
A little chilly. I got in the outdoor pool. The best heated pool I've
Oh yeah.
ever been in. It's better than that other pool last year.
Oh yeah.
comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeers.